the house looking for the leak.
Perhaps, yeah.
He has unlimited money and resources. You need a firm.
And I can say, hey, I was here, there was no rocks in there, etc.
It's a problem with you, then we straight in it. Swap out the cat, put a demon in it. Upgrade the band up, put fiends in it. I got some shooters you seen with it. We're running back, I just seen tenant. We gonna get straight in.
How you doing, boss?
Good, man, you?
All right. Hard day's work?
Long day, yeah.
Be mad.
Open the pizza field.
Oh, great. To the gargoyle.
Mark remembers who he is.
Samael.
You mean the plumber?
Excuse me.
Dad, what are you doing?
Just making myself useful. You know, tightening up fittings, replacing washers. Don't want a flood on our hands.
Dad, Lucifer tells me that your powers have been acting up.
Well, I've had a glitchy moment or two adjusting to the mortal plane. But all is well. Let me take a look around. Not a musical interlude in sight. Pass me that 3/8 socket wrench.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
What? Dad said it was fine. The creator of the universe glitching is the literal opposite of fine. Excuse me, yeah. What are you still doing here anyway? I mean, you've had your granddad time with Charlie. Shouldn't you be off somewhere until, I don't know, his first communion at absolute earliest?
Well, I told you, I'm here to help.
I don't need your help, Dad. Not with the plumbing.
I'm beginning to feel like a plum god, plum god. All the people ask for me when they call the shop, like a plum god, plum god.
And some of us have now got to go to work.
People should be flipped out that I'm standing here as the devil. As the motherfucking devil on gallons of blood. It can't be overturned.
Being the devil ain't fun and games.
I am the seal of death. Thankfully, says Maya, I am the seal of death. Hey, release me out. Go reverse that shit.
I want more in life.
Escape the earth. Throw it. Escape earth. Throw it.
Pray he let you. We shall hear. Pray he let you. We shall hear.
Open the gates of hell. Life escape in the book. Open the gates of
hell.
With the over fish.
You think I'm crazy for telling you this shit? You stupid monkey lost on a ball in space as an accident?